Hi everyone, today I'm again outside, and in today's video I have another video with this transformer and these pen holders, pen hangers, as you want to take them. I have two pens that have these things, and I looked at these holders and I saw its potential to be an arching pad. So I will use this thing from here to arch with this transformer. And please don't try to do this at home, for it's not safe. Either for me it's not safe, but I know what I do. So right, one problem that can be is that I need to find a way to put my circuit breaker near to me to have a safe distance between these things before I can start doing this shit. So yeah, right, I will try to turn it on and I will see what's happening. Oh my gosh, this is not conducting electricity too well. So probably I need to do this. Oh my gosh, my transformer started smoking. But look at these things, right? And as I guessed, they don't melt that easily, for they are like an arching pad, and I'm loving arching, but it will be pretty fun at higher voltage. But yeah, this is the entire video. Oh my gosh, I can smell the smoke from the transformer. Now the transformer stopped smoking, but I can see I can smell this smoke that comes from the transformer. Yeah, this will be a short video, I guess, for it's nothing very impressive about simple arching, but I kinda like it and I really love how big this arching goes. And let's see, I don't damage this thing except here where some carbon creates, but not a big problem, I guess. So let's do this one more time, right? Oh my gosh. My transformer started to smoke, so I guess I will need to leave it to cool down. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.